Hi there, CreativeSarah here, and I have another Dollar Tree DIY. You guys, for $1.25, I found this giant wood tag. I'm going to use some of my folk art chalk paint. It is in color oatmeal, and I'm just going to cover the entire thing, okay? I was not crazy about the design before, but gee, that's for our last name. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my Tobacco Road gel stain, and I am just going to put it on the G and around the edges. Now I'm going to go ahead and make all of my embellishments. So I'm making a fun little bow here. I used a couple scraps and then that larger piece. And of course, I'm going to do some greenery and the little cotton flowers. Hey, if you love this video and you'd like to see more, go ahead and comment VIP. I will send you a message with a link that will get you into my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. So once I was done with this and I put it together, I wasn't exactly happy with it. I wanted that G to stand out. So I took some more of that Tobacco Road gel stain and I just painted it on over what I already had. And then you guys, it popped. I loved it. This looks so cool for $1.25 plus a couple dollars in some greenery. Make sure you like and follow this page for more decor. And hey, thanks for watching.